Toyota Hilux 4+64 with 360 camera, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, 2K screen resolution, tapos online voice command and offline voice command. Okay, front cam, side cam, rear cam, tapos another side cam. Okay, testing, demo. Okay, working. Tapos yung mode working sa 360. Ito yung 3D niya. Okay. Auto trigger, right signal, left signal, hazard, tapos reverse. Okay. Meron na tayo naka 360 ba? Ongoing ginagawa at saka isang Fortuner. Karating na ng Fortuner. Tapos meron siyang offline voice command kahit walang internet. Working yan. Screen off, screen on, open YouTube, turn on navigation. Okay. Tapos meron siyang ganyan. Tapos online voice command, play James Blunt on YouTube. Hindi pa na set up yung online. Play James Blunt on YouTube. So okay, working yung online voice command. James Blunt yan. I want to go to SM Salazaro. Okay. Nagbibigay yan ng way papuntang SM Salazaro. Start. Got it. So hindi mo na kailangan i-type yung gusto mong puntahan. So okay. Tapos ito yung mga application. Wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, meron na si Spotify, Waze, Maps, Netflix. So all goods. Thank you.